So hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make faces in Roblox. So first of all, you have to head over to the roblox.com on your browser, and once you reach here you can go to marketplace and search, and you can filter the filter by faces. So you can see that there are several faces here. So I'm gonna use two face and make a combination of both. So I'm gonna make a combination, or I can say I can make a mixture of two faces. How can I make that? So first of all, I have to click on any of them, and I have to save this image. Fine. So let me save it, or I can copy it and but let me go back, and I'm going to choose another image or another face, and suppose I'm going to use this face. So I'm going to use mouth of this face and the eyes of other face. So I'm going to copy this image as well. Now you can open any image editor, but I will recommend you to use XLR. So just go to this editor and start editing your image. Just open the image that you want. So I'm gonna create, and I'm gonna use this Instagram square, because the face is usually in square shape. So I'm gonna use this square one. And now once you here, you just need to paste your image here, and you can see that this is our face. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna remove eyes of this face. So I have to use this eraser feature and just need to remove eyes. Fine. Or I can also remove eyebrows as well, but I'm going to use only mouth of this face. So now I'm gonna paste one more image that I have already, so I can go back and see the face that I want. So suppose I'm gonna use the eyes of this face, or this will be much better, but it won't look like a female face. So I'm gonna use eyes of this face. So it will be bit combination of both face, and just I'm going to paste here. So it will add as a different layer. So I just need to adjust this. I just need to adjust this, and I have to remove this its mouth. So I'm gonna remove or erase mouth of this face. And as you can see that I have made two combination. Now you just need to uh, select the background layer and color the background. So you can choose fill color, fill color option from the left panel, and choose the color white. So it is already white. So just I need to click on it, and my new face has been created. I'm gonna use. I just need to remove or erase this its mouth more precisely, and I have, yeah, you can see that I have created a new face. So yeah, that's how you can create a new face in a Roblox. And one more thing, now you can also make your face more attractive, like you can add blushes here, or you can add glasses here. So I'm gonna search for glasses, transparent glasses, I would say, transparent, and see what the result will be. So I'm gonna use PNG. So it will open all the PNGs glasses. So I'm gonna choose this one, and I just need to copy this image and paste in the here, paste it here. So I'm gonna paste here, and you can see that it has been added as a new layer. I just need to resize it and adjust to my eyes. I just need to adjust here the glasses so it look. I think I should do. So you can add more item or more things or more object to your face if you want, or you can add some blushes over to your face if you are making a female fish. So yeah, much better. I have to. Now you can see that it has become little weird face, but you can. I hope you get the idea. What I'm trying to say that you can add more and more objects and the things to make your face more attractive. So yeah, now you just need to save this image. You can export as a PNG, just and you can save it on the desktop to find it more easily. So it has been added. So now once you save this image, now you can add it to your Roblox account. So you just need to go to create tab, and you have to click on this developer items and click on details, where you can upload the images. Just click on it and upload the image, and choose the image that you have created recently. Just save it and enter the name face. So I'm gonna my face, I will say, and upload it. Now you can use this image in your Roblox studio if you want. So yeah, hope you like it. Hope you understood. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. So hope you understood the steps to make your own face. Yeah. Bye bye.